What's happening, guys? I wanted to give you guys a little update about the International Maker Station as well as what's coming up for Katz-Moses Woodworking. First of all, I just want to say thank you for everybody who reached out and gave my wife and I congratulations for our daughter that's coming in May. We're both very excited. It's coming up in a short amount of time, so thank you everybody for that. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it right here. Also, International Maker Station update. We are doing something cool here, and it is really exciting. In fact, Shaun Boyd is in the building, and if you haven't checked out his channel, it is awesome. He's really funny, an incredible woodworker. In fact, he just released a shop tour today. I'll link that as well. Make sure you go check out Shaun's channel. It's a lot of fun. We've had a lot of questions, and we are so excited. So here's what we're doing. We're going to be bringing in other YouTubers to come in and teach online classes. And part of that's going to be they come in, we record long form online content. It's going to come with plans and all that stuff, and it's going to be really, really neat. And then they're also going to be teaching in-person classes. Like, for example, Mike Farrington, who is also a fabulous YouTuber, is going to come in and teach a Kumiko class. He's going to be one of the first people. Shaun and I are going to do some classes and have people in, and it's going to be really, really neat. Essentially, what we're creating here is a maker space for YouTubers. We've brought in a bunch of really cool tools, and we have a lot of room here. So this is a space where anybody who creates content can come in and collaborate. We can shoot collaboration videos. If anybody wants to fly in several people from other places and come here and make something, that would be really, really neat. And everything is just so wonderful here. I love it here. Having a big shop and people around and Shaun around is just so cool. The only thing that's a freaking problem is we are directly, and I don't mean sort of, kind of, I mean the planes from the airport fly 50 feet over our shop every 14 minutes.
No, God, please, no!
Katz-Moses Woodworking is going to stay the same. The channel is still going to release Joint of the Week and all of the content that you know me for. And the International Maker Station is going to be something separate. However, some of that content will be on Katz-Moses Woodworking because we'll be able to do collaborations and have people in here and show you guys sort of some of the fun things that we do. One of the things that I really want to do is shoot kind of an interview series with the people that come in and talk about kind of their philosophies on woodworking and how they got into it and where they see their channel going and their style and all that kind of stuff. I think that's going to be really, really cool. But all said and done, with Shaun and myself and Mark, who's behind the camera, we are going to make this place a really fun place that is like everybody's dream shop, and lots of people are going to get to come and enjoy that, and I think that's amazing. We all love teaching so much that being able to share more and more of that with you guys is just so exciting for me. So thanks for following along. We're going to get back to woodworking here in a couple weeks. We've just been moving shops. Sucks. We just today finished moving out of our old shop completely. We've got everything in here. The tools are set up, dust collection set up. You saw those videos, but there's still so much work to do. So bear with us. We'll get back to the woodworking and the projects here pretty soon. In fact, upcoming projects, we're going to do some really cool things. We are going to do a massive torsion box assembly table. We're going to do a workbench that is going to be right here. That'll be where I talk. It'll be part of the set. We're going to do a desk for a guy named Pryor Baird, who is a phenomenal country musician. He was on The Voice. He's touring with, what's his name, Mark? Blake? Who's the guy from The Voice? Well, leave it down in the comments. The country singer from The Voice, I can't think of his name. He's touring with him, and we're gonna make him this really cool live edge walnut desk. We're gonna throw some hidden features in there that sort of represent his musical background. It's gonna be a really cool build. We're also going to be getting back into Joint of the Week and some of those essential skills for woodworkers series and doing things like that, which, you know, I love doing those videos. Joint of the Week was some of the best skill building I've ever done. So if you haven't checked those out, I'll link the playlist here, but I highly recommend practicing your joinery, not because some of those joints you might never use, but being able to cut them just makes you a better woodworker, and it's about pushing yourself and about growing your skill, and that's a great way to do it without having to give up, you know, hundreds of dollars worth of wood doing some massive project and trying to figure some out. It's a way to just use some scraps and make some really cool joints. Last month has been crazy. We've been moving, we haven't had internet for 3 weeks, and it's been just kind of a pain in the butt. So If you emailed me, if you had a problem with your order or anything you needed to contact me about and I didn't get back to you, I'm so sorry. It's been a rough month. Please email me again. I'll make sure you get taken care of. Also, another thing I neglected was to announce the winners for the Holiday IG Dovetail Challenge. Go over to my Instagram. I'm going to announce the winners today, so that'll happen with the release of this video. And wait till you see the project that won. Chris over from Third Coast Craftsman and Bike City Woodworks on Instagram helped me with the contest. Chris was a great judge. He had a really hard time. The entries were incredible. I mean, some of the stuff you guys submitted were unreal, and I look forward to doing a lot more contests coming up because that was so fun just to see how creative you guys were. Even people who were new to dovetails really made some amazing things, and nobody was, there was nobody that was like, oh, this is terrible. I mean, it was really a hard choice. So, Chris, thanks for helping us out with that. It was really fun doing that with you. This weekend, I'm going to be at Workbench Con. Well, Shaun and I are heading out to Hotlanta, as they call it, and we're going to be hanging out at Workbench Con. So if you see us, please come say hi. We'd love to chat. It's going to be a really fun weekend, a lot of creators there, and a lot of opportunity to sort of hang out with you guys and really just talk shop. So we really look forward to seeing you there. I'll maybe be shooting some video and we'll release something next week kind of about the experience, but I'm really just going to be trying to enjoy myself, which will be a lot of fun. So I hope to see you guys there. The stop block is, we went into production. I got the first run of parts, which was a lot of parts, and there was something that just didn't work. And so we fixed it. We're back into production. That should be here in a few weeks. It is cool, guys. It's a no deflection stop block with an inch of micro adjust. Either way, it can be 2 to 4 inches tall or 1/8 inch against your fence up to 1.5 inches out from your fence. So it's really just a stop. It has no deflection. That's the most important part, is all the frickin' T-Track stop blocks you can buy, they deflect like a lot. 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch. It's crazy. This one, solid as a rock, doesn't move, and it's so adjustable. It's going to be really cool. So I can't wait to bring that to you guys. That's going to be kind of my my second album after the Dovetail jig, and I think it's really going to be a really, really cool product. So I'm really excited about that. What else? Dust collection videos were really cool. Make sure you guys check those out if you haven't. I'll link that right here. We dust collected this whole shop, and it really was a lot of work, but we did it. It came out amazing. We did homemade blast gates, which work so well. I mean, there's not a leak in this system. It sucks so hard. I love saying that every time. It sucks so hard that there's no dust in the shop. It's awesome. When we use tools, everything goes into the system, which is great for our health and also great for not having to clean up, which is a lot of fun. So the auction video, we got the planer up and working. I went through it, I removed the rust. We did that video. We went to auction, so I showed you guys how to do that. One of the biggest questions I had was, where do you find the auctions? Bid Spotter is a great website, bidspotter.com. Mark will put a little thing right here somewhere, is great. The planer is so cool. I got the automatic table working, so the table raises and lowers automatically, which is so cool. In the dust collection video, we took a 1/4 inch pass on a walnut board. It didn't bog down. It ripped through that thing. The dust collector collected all the chips. It was absolutely incredible. So that was a lot of fun. Make sure you check out that video. I'll link that here as well. There's gonna be like, I think I can only do 5. So you know what? I'll link everything down in the description. So make sure you guys check those out. And I think that's all I've got for you today. Go check out Shaun Boyd's video. Stay safe in the shop. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in Atlanta. Check out those old videos. Check out the new videos. And I look forward to sharing the International Maker Station with you guys. Talk to you soon.